Hi guys, I would like to share about the OBA process. So what is OBA? So it's outcome-based assessment. So it's the new pathway to actually get your registration in Australia. If you're an overseas nurse or if you're on stream B, then you have to go through a process. So OBA, so there's a few stages. So the first stage would be self-check. So self-check determines your stream, and then once you log in on your dashboard, you will see it and you have to pay the assessment fee. So that's non-refundable. Second stage would be the orientation part one stage. So they will just introduce you about the healthcare of Australia, and you just need to read that through and then you just move on. And then next would be the portfolio stage. This is where you actually submit all your required documents, but it needs to be certified through copy according to APRA guidelines. So just make sure you follow that. If you need assistance, just message me. All right, and then after that, once they approve your portfolio, then it will go through the MCQ stage, which is the NCLEX exam. So you have done NCLEX before, NCLEX 2, so that's accepted. It's the same. We'll just need to ask your US Board of Nursing to send an NCLEX verification to APRA directly. So you have to request that yourself. All good. And then next would be, once you pass that, then you will move on to the OSCE stage. So OSCE stage is where you actually need to come to Australia to take your exam. So I would suggest to go and review for it, because it's not that easy and it's Australian standards. It's better to actually be prepared. It's so expensive, guys. It's $4,000. All right, and then for those offshore or in Australia, they actually need to have a visa first before they could be offered with OSCE rate. So make sure that you apply that once you pass your NCLEX, and then you submit your visa grant to IQNM exam team's email. All right, so the OSCE is just a one-day exam, 2 hours to be exact, but they will just let you know the exact date like a month or two of your exam session. So yeah, so after that, once you pass your OSCE, congratulations. If you made it 7 out of 10 at least, then you really made it. Then you will get through the second to the last stage, which is the registration stage. So registration stage, you just need to pass through some identity documents. You just need to fill in a form online on your dashboard, and then submit all your documents, such as your certificate of good standing for all your BONs, AIS or fit to check for international police checks, English tests, and then other identity documents. So those are the main things. So once you have that, normally once you submitted it and paid for it, then it takes about 2 weeks, 2 months, or it take months, depends on if you have completed your requirements. Yeah, and then once you have that, congratulations, you're now an Australian registered nurse. And then you will just need to complete the last orientation part 2 within the next 6 months, and then you're ready to go. And then all you have to do is just to look for job sponsorships. Look for a job if you're onshore as an RN, and do your ANMAC. Then once you have ANMAC to your EOI, then wait for invitation. So the higher points, the better. So all the best, guys. Ciao. Bye.